Okay, finally done with the tire rotation. I thought coming in on a Monday at 10:30 was not going to be too bad. Turns out it still took 2 hours total. When I checked in, the guy ahead of me was notified that they're a little bit backed up, so expect about 2 hours. I'd have to say, unfortunately, today was roughly the same. It basically, after check-in at around, my check-in time was supposed to be at 10:45. I arrived about 9-10 minutes early. Official check-in time was 10:37 because there was someone ahead of me. And what happens is they got to work on the cars ahead of you. And when they're backed up, it takes a little while. And my experience has been, they've always been backed up every time I've come. I've never been in and out of here in under an hour and 45 minutes. So today was roughly about 2 hours. And the car sits waiting here for at least an hour before it gets brought in. The actual shop time is probably less than half an hour. And I can say this because I have like surround cameras everywhere, so it knows exactly when a car is being moved, when there's someone sitting in a car, etc. And then after it's done, this time is a little bit different. I got a call and they said my car would be ready in 5 minutes, which is great. So I was walking around in Costco for a really long time. And I guess that may be part of the design. You walk around Costco more, you might end up picking more, and I did. One word of caution is that because it takes so long, if you have anything that needs to be frozen or refrigerated, just don't get it then, because once you come out here, you got to stand in line sometimes to get your keys. I was standing in line and someone just walked right up, and I guess you can just yell pick up and maybe they'll service you quicker. I didn't know that, so I stood an extra, I don't know, I want to say like 8 minutes. There were a lot of people and they were really busy. All in all, it still took 2 hours. Is it worth it? Maybe not anymore, because the tire rotations, if you just need tire rotation, you don't need all the other stuff. You can go to America's Tire Company. Apparently, my brothers just go there now, and they told me that you could be in and out in half an hour as long as you make an appointment beforehand. But again, you never know. Your mileage may vary. That's what I heard. That's what they tell me. That's what they focus on, is saying, look, if you want it, just get the tires rotated quick and easy. They'll do it for free. Doesn't matter where you got your tires from. And obviously, because you'll actually go visit that place, there's a good chance that next time you go, hey, maybe I don't want to deal with Costco anymore, and maybe I just want to go to a third party. Yeah. So that's my take on the Costco tire service. And my Costco is the Sunnyvale Costco, so that's my experience over here. And it also has been my experience at the Costco Santa Clara location as well. I don't know what the best day is to come here to a tire service center. I do have to come back and get it retorqued if I didn't have a torque wrench at home, but I have a torque wrench back home, so I'll retorque it after driving 25 miles. So I hope that was useful to you. Please leave a like, subscribe for more. I'll catch you next one. Thanks for watching. Also, I don't know what it is about Costco tire centers here in the San Francisco area that I've been to. It really isn't about customer service. That is definitely not their focus. I guess their focus, of course, a lot of times is trying to get people in and out faster, but as long as they stick it within the 2 hour, hopefully not 3 hour mark. I think I've actually been stuck some time here for like 3 hours, but that was for a different thing. That wasn't just a tire rotation. That was just everything all combined. It was like, that's crazy, right? It's like half a day. And in the future, I would just probably not do it anymore. But yeah, they aren't focused about customer service, which is really, really odd. But I guess when you work at the Costco, dealing with a tire shop, maybe you deal with a lot of people that are really annoying. Yeah, I could see that happening. So that's really strange. Granted, I have mostly only experienced Costco for dealing with tires. I haven't ventured out to see other places to see how much better or maybe how much worse they are. I guess in that case, you probably want to check out Yelp reviews or Google reviews to see what's going on in a case like that.